I shall be performing at this year's Harare International Festival of the Arts in Zimbabwe, Haifa 2015, and I am super excited. The festival dates are 28 April to the 3rd of May, and I shall be doing a collaboration with the Jazz Orchestra. Hope to see all of you there. See you soon. Let's take it from God bless us.